Okay, a quick review of radicals. We always want to simplify as much as possible. That means looking for a perfect square that goes into 44. So of these, 4 goes into it. Nothing else goes into 44. And the square root of 4 is 2. So if possible, if there's a perfect square in it, we're going to pull it in front, square root the number. Second rule, we can't have a radical on bottom. So if we do have a radical in the bottom, to get rid of it, we match the radical. Now if there's a number in front, we don't care about that. We've got root 5, we times root 5. So they're both inside, so 3 times 5 is 15. These ones cancel and become 5. So 5 times 5 is 25, but it's square root of 25. We get rid of the radical on bottom. And the next thing is, that's really important, we can't take the square root of a negative. Not possible. 2 more examples. We've got a radical. We have to look for a perfect square. And 2 times 9. The 9 is a perfect square. It becomes square root of 9 is 3. The 2 stays behind, and we have a 6 inside. And then once they're outside, now we can reduce. We can't reduce an inside with an outside, a radical with a whole number, but we can when we have 2 numbers outside the radical. So divide both by 3. We get 1 over 2. And the 1 is invisible. You can put it there, but you don't need to. This one, we have to focus on the radical first. We have to do everything inside. We cannot take the square root of this because of the plus sign. So type this into your calculator. 4 squared, 16. 4 times 3 times 2, 24. And we get 40 over 2 times 5. Now there's a perfect square in here. So square root of 4 is 2. 10 gets left inside. And we can reduce 2 and 10. Do not reduce the 10 inside because that's a radical, that's not. So divide both by 2. And that's how we finish.